I know the puppies are really well trained for how small they are too.
Come on. Every train them up to where you want, you know. Bend the tree when it's young, you know, when it hard like this you can't bend it. Just by growing up puppy, just like children, you have to grow them up. Like that and give problem. Why is so much problem with that then upon this earth? True, you know, and left up the picnic there. And left up the picnic there, maybe your parents in the yard. Yo, go look your book. That's not the way. Are you to help him to read? Yeah. But a lot of crazy Jamaican get up. Go look your book. You see him doing something. Go look your book. He can't help. He can't do it by himself. I have to take up your picnic and go your picnic. Growing nice and making grow like all the criminal. Oh, you see him playing out at the yard. You don't business with him. I can see they play. But you just call him and then say, yo, look your book, hug him up and cheer, give him good loving. You look up it there. And that will work. Work out for every one of them. But if you left them to like fuckery, you're not going to work out. You have to show more love, more cheering, your concern. Your concern with him, to him, you know. But if you're not doing so, you don't get nothing time. Probably you come down gunman and late your ass, shoot you down too. You never can tell.
Because the puppies, it's so funny when you call them, or anyone just goes, what is it, coochie coochie?
Oh, coochie coochie.
Coochie 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 coochie.
Coochie coochie.
Cootie cootie, that's it. I'm surprised none actually came running.
They're running on you.
Is that your puppy call, or is that every Jamaican?
Every puppy? Jamaican.
Okay.
So they call them cootie 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 cootie. So they run around. One of them puppy, man. They're all Jamaican, my brother.
So people will come here and they'll ask you about stuff if they're having like problems getting pregnant or whatever.
I want pregnant.
Huh.
If they want got baby and man come in and say the woman want picnic, me give the man something and say to the girl, don't drink any. And then no, the man drink it. When the man drink it, that 3 picnic have. And that far in there. I see them too, you know. You don't think me now look upon them, you know. In any move, you know. And one day, me know, hear them say nothing to me, you know, call me, you know. The more if you don't go, more fuck with, you know. Now call me. You don't remember Moko. Remember the good old days. Yeah.
So if someone's having problem, like a couple wants to have kids or something, what kind of stuff do you give them?
Like them bitter stuff there, where me da give him. That give him all some nonny. Take out them black tube there. And then something there, nonny juice.
Noni fruit, like the one you have in the back?
Yeah, man, the remedy around it. Take out every coal out of you, man. White powder them come out of your block, noni. And it clean any woman. And if the woman lose the picnic them, Me have something where you boil every time I'm pregnant and then lose. Me have something that you boil to make them stay in their womb.
What's that? What's that one called?
What that?
Yeah.
Basida. Basida. You can use the berry. Donkey eat it. Jack donkey. March and April time. Maybe that jump every woman donkey. That beat him up, you know. Basida. I put it in a roots too.
Okay.
Me put it
roots
in,
is I figured would
yeah,
be a
me
good
put
one.
it in root. Me do it with roots too. Yeah, man. Me used to eat them too, then sweet. Then sweet, me used to eat them when they were kids, basida. But mostly donkey, yam them. Donkey yam them. In that sex out every woman donkey, man, basida. And basida again, you can use the bark. Half of the tree, you know. Bark I better one to eat more than the seed, cause the bark gummy, you know. Sticky. When the woman drink that, the kids then can't get kids, but if you have them every minute, and them a get fucked, or dead, that them have to use, you know. Basida. I put it in our tonic to roots also. I put a lot of stick in my roots, you know, but there are lots of people that will make roots, you know. Some people put 1 million something, you know.
Yeah, when there's
And I
too
just,
much, it kills the
yeah,
taste.
doesn't taste good. And I go in at the plant. Out of the whole of them, and that one I go eat, you know, and the whole leaf where you see put nice, you know, one something did there, we are go free up, yeah? Yeah, man. Remember me tell you, man. That's it. Free up, man. And you know, like, you know, type of different up, me go for where me know, you know? Like all my roots, them all and shit like.
Get some Jenga for him too.
Janga. Man tell you, then see me I cook Janga soup. Me tell man tell you, me not cook Janga soup. Me not cook Janga soup.
Man closure from you I live up as a soldier.
Trouble and stress in the street, man. I don't go there. Enough trouble people give and stress with simple thing. You know. I mean no garden the place there. Everywhere me go, you know, in a Jamaica, you know. Especially with some people they were stressed. You can't get up in the village and call to them a man and they won't tell you. So, we just know that this morning is a morning. After morning is a night. You don't blind. You're seeing. Every day you look, you know. Another man, like me. Oh. I'll tell you for you and tomorrow for you. I'll tell you for you and tomorrorow for you. Every man have a day, brother.
Every man has a day, every man has a shit. Maybe year, maybe 10 years.
Yeah, man.
Who knows?
Who knows? Nobody knows.